Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. I'm beautiful and write beautifully. This is our complete spoken English course, class 6. Today's topic is adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: he runs quickly, modifies verb. She is very beautiful, modifies adjective. He speaks too fast, modifies another adverb. Types of adverbs. Let's look at the most common types. Number 1. Adverbs of manner. Describe how something is done. Examples: quickly, slowly, happily. Number 2. Adverbs of time. Show when something happens. Examples: now, then, yesterday. Number 3. Adverbs of place. Show where something happens. Examples: here, there, everywhere. Number 4. Adverbs of frequency. Show how often something happens. Examples: always, never, sometimes. Number 5. Adverbs of degree. Show the intensity or degree. Examples: very, too, quite. Examples in sentence: he drives carefully, manner. I saw her yesterday, time. The kids are playing outside, place. She always arrives on time, frequency. The movie was very interesting, degree. Word order and common rules. Usually adverbs of manner go after the verbs. Right? She sings beautifully. Wrong. She beautifully sings. Awkward. Adverbs of frequency usually go before the main verbs. Right. I always wake up early. Common mistakes to avoid. Right. Don't use an adjective instead of an adverb. Wrong. He runs quick. Right. He runs quickly. Right. Use adverbs with the correct verb tense. Right. She already left. Right. I just finished the work. Today we learned what is an adverb, different types of adverbs, how to use them in real sentence. In the next class, we will cover preposition. Class 7. Don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to Fluent English with M I Shah. Practice every day. Speak fluently. Thank you very much.